I'm Pacchia, and these are your Bloomberg Law headlines for the week. First up, NBC News has obtained a confidential memo from the Justice Department outlining the legal justification for extrajudicial killings of American citizens believed to be working for al-Qaeda or associated forces. The document is the most detailed justification released yet for executive branch officials using lethal force against American citizens in the war on terror. Interestingly, the memo claims that the authority to order the use of lethal force is not limited to just the President of the United States. Any, quote, informed high-level, unquote, official of the United States government can make the call. Next, the Department of Justice filed a monster civil fraud complaint on Monday in Los Angeles against McGraw-Hill and its rating agency S&P over allegations that S&P misrepresented the credit risk to financial products at the center of the credit crisis. The government filed suit after negotiations with the company failed. S&P had balked at paying a fine of more than $1 billion and admitting to wrongdoing. Now the government is seeking damages of at least $5 billion. S&P, for its part, has denied any wrongdoing. Finally, rising default rates on federal student loans are forcing the nation's top universities to sue some of their former students, Bloomberg News reports. As defaults on federal Perkins Loans rise, academic institutions such as Yale University, the University of Pennsylvania, and George Washington University are being forced to take former students to court over the non-payments. Since the Perkins Loan program is administered by the schools out of a revolving fund, former students defaulting on these loans are being sued by their alma maters so that the schools can make future loans. So, naturally, that brings us to the question for the week. Are we going to see comprehensive student debt reform in 2013? Let us know what you think in the comments. That's what we have for this week. I'm Pacchia. Thanks for joining us. See you next week.